Friends, now we are going to see how to add our Eclipse project in GitHub repository. First, you need to have an account in GitHub. For that, you need to sign up for an account. Since I am already having an account in GitHub, I am just logging into it. Um, there are two repositories. This one is an online repository and it is an remote repository, that GitHub. What we will be creating in Eclipse is a local repository. Um, one thing which we need to keep in mind is the name of the local repository and the online repository. Name of the repository in local and remote site should be the same. First, we are creating a repository in the remote site. We can do either way, but it is we are taking a risk if we are creating a repository at the local site. The same repository may not be available in remote site, which so we are creating a repository in the remote site. I am creating a repository name like my project is based on the calendar. Um, I have created a calendar, one-page calendar using Swing, so I am giving it as the name calendar app. Luckily, our repository is available. See, you can see the green color tick mark. Now, we will be giving the description for this one. Our description is a calendar which what it does it now we are creating the repository calendar app. This should be the name of the repository we will be creating in the local repository. We are saying some kind of the remote repository where it should be placed, how it should be set up. Everything is given here. We don't have any Git setup in our desktop, but we are using in Eclipse. In Eclipse, in the new versions, there is a pre-configured Git repository, Java-based Git plugin is available in Eclipse, known as JGit, JGit or eGit. We are going to use this eGit, and we are going to create make our changes available in Git repository. Now this is the app name. Here also the project name is calendar app. What I am going to do is I am going to create a repository. What I did is I placed my cursor on the project and I am just right clicking. You will be seeing some kind of menus options, and you just take care of the team. Go inside team and share project. We are asked to create a repository. Now the repository name should be. We have done something calendar app. It is also the same thing, calendar app. The name of the project and the name of the repository need not be same. it may be different, but in our case, I didn't think it of. The current location is it is in a workspace of the Eclipse, and after the repository is created, it will be there in. There is a special place for Git repository. It will be placed there to specifically differentiate from the projects where the repositories are created and projects which are in Eclipse. It will be moved to this target location. We are creating a local repository now. Yeah, well, you can see the change here. Something called no head is applied here, and some question marks come here. See everything. There is a question mark arrow, and everything is in black color. This is known as the static web. It will be everything will be normal in this project. The application one project. You can see that. In other projects, you can see that it is something different. You can see the difference. This project, everything is shown in white color. Everything is there is no see here something. This shows that it is to be moved to the repository. That's it. And we are what we are going to do. This is not getting added to the repository. So we are making. You can see the question mark as well here. The status. Their state is not known now. So we are going to do is team. We are going into the team and add to the index. Now what do you see this? The arrow mark to disappear and is starred, which means it can be applied for committing. We haven't committed. Still you can see no head here, and in other projects you cannot see them. Now what we are going to do is, we are again going to team and we are going to commit. Our changes are not committed. What I am doing is correct or not, I am not sure. We will. Before doing some commit, I think something need to be done. Whether we can check it now. Everything is added to index. Yeah, we can see what happen if we commit these projects. I am just making the initial commit. Everything will be whatever changes we have done. It will be available in the local repository. We can commit as well as push our changes to the remote repository, but it is still risky. So we are just committing now. See now the status in other projects you cannot see something like database like thing. You can see here in everything you can see here. Now the calendar of the master folder of the calendar of repository is available now. Before that there was no head. Now there is a master folder. Now we are going to team and we have made the commit and we need to push it now. We need to push our changes to remote repository. Yeah, we are going to push the changes in remote repository. Here there is a thing called URI. This is the one which is given by the Git repository. We need to copy down this thing. and paste it here. You can see everything gets configured originally gets populated into their own text fields like host is github.com and repository path everything. Now we need to first I gave some login information, we need to give it again. I am going to push my changes. There is a command line git available, but it is not installed in my system, and Eclipse is pretty easy for Java developers. I am giving my password. Now we can see the changes. There is a key generated for this one commit, and we are going to push it for the branch master. Configure upstream for push and pull, and merge upstream commits into the local branch. Now we need to confirm before the because unnecessarily we don't want to do something. So we are just confirming, we are pushing from master to master. This will be the result. If it is everything goes successful, the result should be new branch is created and it is in the repository. Again they are asking for the login credentials. It is being pushed to the GitHub repository, the remote repository. We will go and check whether it is pushed correctly. I am just clicking the calendar app. Yeah, the initial commit for calendar application. This is what the commit description we gave, and in that we can see the whatever the changes. This shows everything what we have done. I have included only one Java application. You can see that also. Our changes has been populated. We can show, they are showing in which commit this particular change got populated. Which latest version is available, it is showing. And we go to the calendar app. Now, here it shows the change information. When this one is clicked, it is just showing class path entry. Wow, this is the original entry of the class path. That's all, guys. That's all, friends. Thank you.